Join us to another daily meeting.
Yesterday, I was going through the Vitalik's proposal for plasma, minimum viable plasma, and the Omisigo implementation of the minimum viable plasma. Also, I looked at the code of the Lightning Network, and now I'm looking at the Raiden network and the storage implementation of the decentralized path founding, peer finding. Also, I'm working on adding our token to Parity wallet, and today we are going to switch to redesign the SDK. Yes, as far as I know. So that's it for me for today.
So yesterday I worked on Captain God. I did some fixes. I added TTL for the mission to be 3 days. So the expiration date of the mission is 3 days. Also, guys, you need to know if you want to change TTL to mission, you need to set the TTL on the bid, and the mission take the bid's TTL, which is kind of weird, but that's how it's working right now. So I hope it will be better in the new design, which Shachar will explain us soon.
Hey guys, yesterday I fixed the last issue of Captain Sky, the bug with the state of the captain, and today I have one last issue about the website design issue, and then I'm going to join the redesign of the SDK as all the team.
Hey guys, so yesterday was general marketing optimization and several minor website issues and a proposal for 2 car manufacturers, which I'm going to continue working on today. It's very cool and very interesting. So I'll work with Yuri on that today, and on some other, website tasks as I see here. This is it.
Okay, great. So what we're going to try to do today is finish some of our issues with the website, and then devote ourselves fully to the new SDK redesign task. We're all going to work on that. I have set a meeting later on today in which we all will participate, and we need to share our thoughts about how we think this SDK is going to look, what it's going to do, how, and etc. So have a nice day, everyone. Bye.
Hey there, what's up? So today I started the day with editing the DailyDAV, and then I continued working on blockchain meetup at Google Campus. Nearly finished that, just waiting for some graphics from Yuri. So we'll get it out there soon. And then I had some technical issues with YouTube again, tried to resolve them, send them another request. Hopefully that will be it. And for the rest of the day, I'm gonna start planning the DailyDAV makeover. So stay tuned.
Hi everyone. Yesterday I was out of the office for most of the day, but still kept up with KYCs and helping people who had questions about their transactions. Today is going to be more of the same. We still have some people who just need some assistance, and we're here to help. See you tomorrow.
Hey Davers, Alec here. Today I'm helping out Lior with creating a proposition for a very large car company in Europe. We're just making some collaterals from them so we can share it, of course. Me and Noam will be having our meeting with the parking startup later today here at the office. I'll let you know how that will go. And other than that, John is having a call later today with a Canadian company that does drone as a service services. And I'll try to hop on that call. Not sure I can make it. That's about it. Have a great day. Bye.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Last week the main focus was around a lot of email segmenting, email copy, build out, making sure we're getting the right communication and messaging across to the right community members. Also did some new work with our journalists to make sure that we have a solid content flow for the next few weeks as it pertains to new topics there. and a bunch of other things as it pertains to us being right in the middle of the token sale. Today, the main focus has been working with our attorney on some upcoming copy for a really great announcement we're very much looking forward to sharing with everybody, and then also working on some new website features once the token sale is actually over, such as new creation and adjustments to the homepage and things of that sort. Thanks everyone, have a great day.